Hello class, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher, here to remind you, please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to post your comments. Let's begin our today's session.
Yes, class 7th. Excel as database part 2. In this video, I have given you an assignment. The link is in description box. Please go through it. It is very small assignment. 5 one-word type questions are there and you will enjoy it doing it. And whatever the things we will discuss today, again the same, you have to practice on your systems. And if systems are not available, just go through these videos. You will inculcate the things in a better way. Fine, let's begin. In previous video part 1, I have told you how to insert form in quick access toolbar. Now we will be using this form for various things. Today we will cover adding a new record in the form, searching a record if you want to search a particular record, sorting of data, right? Sorting is what? First of all, I just tell you what kind of sorting we will learn today. Default sorting. By default, what kind of sortings are there? Custom sorting, that will change according to you, and sorting based on multiple columns, means if there are 2 or more columns, we can do the sorting in all the columns. Sorting, I am continuously using this word. What is sorting? Let's explore. Sorting means rearranging the data in a specific order. Arrangement of data. Sort means arrange in ascending order or descending order. That is what sorting is. Now I will show you the Excel sheet and we will apply all these techniques. We will learn all this technique one by one. Let's go to the Excel sheet. This is your Excel sheet. My dear students, please, you can refer part 1 if you want to see how I have added this form in the quick access toolbar. There I have explained it clearly, right? So here we will learn first how to add a new record in the form, right? I have make a record of the subjects and the respective marks of a particular student, and let's double click on this form. If this form is not available, you have to insert it. Double click this form and now I will show how to add a new record. This, can you see new button? Click on new. Add a subject, say computer marks is not there, I want to add. Subject computer and the marks is say 20. Fine. Let's close it. See, computer marks is already added. This is the advantage of the new record. Once again I show you how to add a record. Click on new and then add German marks also. Fine. That will also get added up. Have you seen this? Yes, now we will search a particular record in the database. This is database record, right? Again click on form. Form will get open up. Click on criteria. A blank form will appear. Now we will write the subject same as. Then press enter. The mathematics marks will get displayed. Let's see. Maths is 16, right? Close it. And suppose if you enter a record, say again go to criteria, suppose I enter GK, that is not there in our database. Now what it will show? It will show the first subject record. It is by default. If you enter any subject, according to this, if you enter any subject, that is not there in the record, it will by default show the first subject. Clear? Now coming to sorting. What is sorting? Is the arrangement in ascending or descending order of the data, right? Can you see this editing? Everyone please pay attention. In the home tab, can you see the editing where sorting and filtering is there? Today we will work with sorting only, right? Sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, custom sort. First we will learn by default sort, right? Select, suppose I have selected this, go to sort A to Z. Alphabetically it has been sorted the subjects according to dictionary order, right? Or Z to A it can sort. Clear? So one row, one particular column it has been sorted. Now custom sort. Have you understood these two sorts? Here you can sort this one also, right? This is also changing. It's not like that the numbers are being sorted and the subjects are different. Fine, let's only sort the subject. Now custom sort I will teach you. Click on custom sort. Now you want what kind of sorting? Subject, sort on their values. Which order? Yeah, or you can customize the list according to your wish by clicking on that. A to Z, okay, or Z to A. We want to subject, sort by subject, values and A to Z. Let's see the output. Subject has been sorted, but this has been in the same, marks are in the same order accordingly, right? SST we have given 18, mass is 16, so accordingly everything has been sorted out. Now we will learn sorting based on multiple columns. See, I have selected two columns at the same time. One is subject and one is marks. But remember, while sorting it's not like that कि maths marks will be get displayed on English and Hindi marks will comes to 18. No. Let's see how it is done. While selecting, go to custom sort, home tab, filter and sorting. In that you will select custom sort. Once again, go to home tab, in filter and sort and filter, click on custom sort. Fine. Then this dialog box will get open up. Sort by, first is subject, values, the values will get sorted up, and then A to Z. Add level for the next type of sorting. Then by marks, values, marks will be sorted only smallest to largest. Fine. Now click on OK. See, the subject has been sorted and marks is accordingly sorted. Means things are not like that ki English person has got 19, after sorting from largest to smallest to largest, the numbers has been changed, the marks has been changed. No, the marks of the particular subject is indicated as it is. Fine. So this is custom sort, sorting of multiple columns. Now I hope कि sorting is clear. Sorting is just rearranging of data. You please practice, and in next videos we will learn filtering also. Thank you and take care.